Find the best 3D printers for home use to create detailed models, useful projects, and creative designs with ease. Starting at number 1. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a fully enclosed FFF 3D printer designed for convenient and reliable desktop 3D printing. It features a 150 x 150 x 150 mm build area, a removable heated build plate for easier model removal, assisted auto leveling, an 8GB internal memory, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a color touchscreen for straightforward operation. Its quick change nozzle helps simplify maintenance, while the enclosed design provides added protection from dust and moisture. The printer supports 1.75mm filament and offers multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet, making it a versatile choice for beginners, hobbyists, and home users. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max Resin 3D printer is a large-format resin 3D printer designed for producing detailed models and bigger projects with its 13.6-inch 7K monochrome LCD and Cobb Light Turbo 3.0 light source system. It offers an expansive 298 164 300mm build volume, equivalent to about 14.7 liters, along with dynamic resin temperature control to help maintain consistent printing conditions. The printer also features a convenient flip-open UV blocking cover, a laser-engraved aluminum build plate, dual linear rails, a resin autofill system, intelligent detection features, and a 4.3-inch touchscreen. With support for standard, high-speed, water-washable, ABS-like, and plant-based resins, the Photon Mono M7 Max is well-suited for large, detailed resin printing projects. Number 3. FLASHFORGE 5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer is a fast and beginner-friendly FDM 3D printer featuring a 220x220mm build volume, automatic leveling, and a Core XY all-metal structure designed to improve stability during high-speed printing. Its direct drive extruder reaches 280 degrees Celsius and uses a quick detached nozzle system for easier maintenance, while printing speeds can reach up to 600 mm with acceleration up to 20,000 mm too. The printer also includes a flexible, removable PEI steel build plate, filament runout detection, power loss recovery, a 4.3-inch touchscreen, and Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB connectivity, making it a versatile choice for hobbyists and home users. Number 4. Creality K2 SE 3D Printer. The Creality K2 SE 3D printer is a high-speed Core XY FFF 3D printer designed for fast and reliable desktop printing, offering speeds of up to 500 milliamps and a 220, 215, and 245 mm build volume. It features a sturdy metal frame, full automatic leveling, a dual-gear direct drive extruder, and a quick-swap nozzle system with a maximum temperature of up to 300 degrees Celsius. The printer is also compatible with Creality's CFS color filament system for multicolor printing, supporting up to 16 colors when multiple CFS units are connected. Additional features include vibration compensation, filament detection, power loss recovery, Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, and an 8GB storage capacity, making the K2 SE a versatile option for both high-speed and multicolor 3D printing. Number 5. Creality K2 Combo 3D Printer. The Creality K2 Combo A 3D printer is a high-performance Core XY 3D printer designed for fast, reliable, and multicolor printing. It offers a generous 260 mm build volume and printing speeds of up to 600 mm, while its CFS, Creality Filament System, enables multicolor and multi-material printing. The printer features a sturdy enclosed design, smart AI camera monitoring, automatic leveling, a next-generation dual-gear direct drive extruder, and a quick heating all-metal hot end capable of reaching up to 300 degrees. With approximately 95% pre-assembly, vibration optimization, power loss recovery, Wi-Fi connectivity, and support for materials such as PLA, PETG, ABS, and PLAC, the K2 combo is a versatile choice for both hobbyists and advanced 3D printing enthusiasts.